Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Toast Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Toast Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to payroll.toasttab.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Toast Payroll. There, enter your email address or your username. Then click to Next. Then enter your password. Then you should be able to access your Toast Payroll account. If you have trouble logging in, you can get help by clicking to Trouble Logging In. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.